See the exercise 6.3 13th problem here. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The question is given to you. D is a point on the side BC of the triangle ABC, such that angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. Okay. So D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. Okay. D is a point on the side BC. Okay. I'm stopping sharing here. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC I'm taking into consider. On BC, there is a point D such that ADC is equals to BAC. Like this, if you are taking D here, this ADC is equals to BAC. So this is the thing given to you and asking to us to prove that CA square is equals to CB into CD. So the CA square is equals to CB into CD is nothing but CA square is nothing but CA into CA. So we need to take the CA by CD is equals to CD by CA. This, if you are able to prove that means it is indirectly showing to you that you need to see the proportionality. You need to prove the proportionality of the sides of the triangle. So what triangles to be taken into consider? The triangles in which CA is there. That two triangles to be taken into consider here. So here, if you observe that in triangle ADC and triangle BAC, ADC and BAC, okay, ADC and BAC. These two triangles we need to take into consider. Why you may get doubts, sir? How do you know that only these two triangles to be taken into consider? Because CA square is asking, so CA should be there in both the triangles. Such type of the triangles, what are they? Means A as a CA as a side we need to take into consider. Now in this triangle, angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. It is given. This is given. And in this triangle, angle ACD is equals to ACB, angle ACB. This is why it is common. So very simple here, by AA criterion, triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. Now write the proportionality here. Actually, when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides proportionality, we need to take AD by BA is equals to DC by AC. So better if you are writing as a another, here it is, this is not necessary to us, but you write another one AC by DC. So this is not necessary to us. So we are taking that BC by AC is equals to AC by BC. And cross multiply, we are going to get AC square is equal, sorry, DC. The BC into DC. So this is nothing but CA square is equals to CB into CD. This is required to us to prove. Okay. Coming to the 14th question. So in the 14th question, you see the question here. So what is given in this question here? AD and AC and median. In the previous 12th problem, it is given that AB, BC and median AD. But here AB and AC median AD is given. Okay. So these are the two things given to us here. PQR triangle may be same area. So the difference between these two things, what here? You need to take here triangle A, B, C, P, Q, R. Two triangles. In this triangle, AB and AC and the median AD are proportional to PQ, PR and median PM. It is given to us. These are the things given to us. So what is given to us? Given they are in proportion. AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR is equals to AD by PM. Okay. So these are this is only one thing is given, and asking to us to prove that ABC triangle is similar to PQR triangle. ABC triangle is similar to PQR triangle. So normally whenever you see that, to do this one, better we construct a little bit. You extend AD to the point E such that AD is equals to D. So this is D is the midpoint, means equal here. In this triangle, this one equal to this one. So in the same triangle also you extend it to the PM mark. Whatever it may be, that you have to extend AD to E. Extend AD to E such that AD is equals to DE. Here you don't write the line. बार लिखना नहीं है. Why? Because length we are taking into consider. इधर से इधर कितना लेंथ है उतना लेंथ एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ. Similarly, extend PM to S such that PM is equals to MS. So if you are observing properly, join these two. So what it becomes? Don't say rectangle. It looks like a rectangle, but as per the property, the diagonals AE and BC are bisect each other. A quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other is a
parallelogram.
Yes, it is parallelogram. So here, therefore, since diagonals bisect each other, A, B, E, C and PQSR are parallelograms. So they are the parallelograms. Now here, if these are the parallelograms, if you observe properly, AC is equals to B. AC is equals to D. Now what is given to us here? AB by PQ. AB by PQ equals AC by PR. But AC का place में I can write DE. PR के place में I can write QS. I am going to prove this triangle, side one. This triangle is similar to this triangle, so that we will get these two angles are equal. So how do you prove that two triangles equal means? Okay, this one by this one is equal to this one by this one, and this one here only. So इसको 2 multiply करो. इसको 2 multiply करो. 2 times of AD is nothing but DE. तो ये पूरा होता है. So that means here, as they are the parallelogram, you can say that AC is equals to DE and PR is equals to QS. AC is equals to DE, PR is equals to QS. Now from here, therefore, AB by PQ is equals to AC का place में BE लिखता. इसको चाहे तो 1 ले लो. From 1. AB by PQ is equals to BC. B actually AC का place में DE लिख रहा हूँ. PR का place में QS लिख रहा हूँ. And 2 times of AD I am taking, 2 times of PM I am taking. 2 times of AD, 2 times of PM. So now what do you get here? AB by PQ is equals to DE by QS is equal to 2 times of AD is nothing but AE आएगा. So AE by PS. AE by PS. Now here, what do you get here? From this, you can say that by SSS criteria, triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQS. Therefore, this angle to be taken into consideration. Angle BAE is equals to angle QPS. Angle BAE is equals to QPS. Okay. Here you can similarly, we can prove in the same way as we have proved, these side two triangles are similar precursor. Triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRS. You can write it here same way ना, same as it is. उस प्लेस में क्या लेना, ये इक्वल टू ये लेना, दिस वन बाय दिस वन. इन दिस प्लेस ए बी का प्लेस में सी लेना है, पी क्यू का प्लेस में आर एस लेना है और इसको डबल करना है. Then you are going to get the two triangles as similar. This implies that ACE is similar to PRS. ACE similar to PRS is nothing but angle CAE. Angle CAE is equals to angle RPS. RPS, that is nothing but this angle. ये सेकेंड मान लो, ये थर्ड मान. 2 + 3 का एंगल्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं. अदरवाइज 2 + 3 करना लिखना सही नहीं है. Better from 2 and 3 you can write. Otherwise you can take here, we need to take this angle BAC angle I am considering. इसको मैंने स्प्लिट करके BAE plus CAE लिख रहा हूं. Can I write like that? BAE plus CAE. BAE is equals to QPS. इधर QPS लिखो, इधर CAE. CAE is equals to RPS. So the sum of these two angles is equals to QPR. Angle BAC is equals to angle QPR. Now what we got here? This one by this one, this one by this one. Okay. Angle BAC is equals to QPR and AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR. Given SAS congruence, sorry, SAS criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If you have any doubt, you can ask in this. Do you have any doubt in this question?
Sir,
समझ में आया? Yes, बोलो.
sir, in the last second line.
Last second line, this one. Here what I did, our intention is what here first से आप एक दिमाग में रखना है. What we need to prove. Actually, it is given that this triangle is given to you, but we have constructed little bit more. Our intention is to prove this angle equal to this angle, na? So I have taken this angle BAC. BAC. BAC can be written as BAE plus CAE. दोनों का sum. BAE is equals to QPS. Either you can write from 2 and 3. If you get confused. BAE is equals to QPS. BAE का प्लेस में QPS लिख दिया. नेक्स्ट CAE का प्लेस में RPS लिख दिया और दोनों का सम QPR होगा. QPS RPS is equals to QPR. Okay, and AB by PQ equal to AC by PF. These two angles are equal and their corresponding this angle included sides are proportional. Therefore, by SAS criteria, you can say that these two triangles are similar or not. Yes?
Yes, sir.
They are similar, no?
So,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Antika.
so the line where you have written AB by PQ equal to BE by QS equal to 2 AD by 2 PM.
AB by PQ,
BE by QS equal to 2 AD by 2 PM.
your voice is not clear, better. Once again, sir.
So the line where you have written AB by PQ equal to BE by QS equal to 2 AD by 2 PM.
Her voice is not audible properly to me, actually.
Telling,
What?
she is telling where you have multiplied the medians by 2. Yes, sir.
Why I have multiplied?
Yes, sir, she's
So
asking
that
that one.
line you please explain again.
see here, when these ratios are equal, when you multiply the any ratio by the non-zero constant, it is same you are going to. Suppose 1/2 you are getting ratio. 1/2 को ऊपर नीचे 2 से multiply करो, 2/4. That is equal to 1/2 ना.
Sir, not
Why I
that
have
one. You have written dE by QS, not that one.
हाँ, dE by QS ये कैसे आया है?
Yes, sir.
ये देखो already I have written here from 1 AC is equals to BE. AC ने BE लिख दिया. PR is equals to QS. PR का प्लेस में QS लिख दिया. ये as it is ले लिया, इधर ये यूज कर लिया. नेक्स्ट इधर 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर.
Okay, sir.
ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So that is a thing here. So you may get the sir, how do we know that we need to do like that only? Most of the students will get a question in their mind. This question arises. Sir, you are doing that, but how do we get an idea? When you are going on solving the such type of the problems, more number of problems. यही एक ही problem को ज़्यादा बार करना नहीं. Okay, different models of the problem which includes this concept. If you are solving, then you will be able to get an idea. And moreover, it's not a very difficult task that to get an idea. Our intention is what here, पीछे से जाना है बोले तो हम ये दोनों इक्वल प्रूव करना है, ये इक्वल प्रूव करना है, ये एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करना है, तो दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल प्रूव करना है. दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल बोले तो वो एंगल इंक्लूडेड ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव करना है. वो एंगल इंक्लूडेड ट्रायंगल्स क्या होगा, ये ट्रायंगल होगा, ये ट्रायंगल होगा, तो इसको एक्सटेंड करना है. So from that point of view, we are going to get this idea. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let us move to the next question here. It's a very simple question only, but application-oriented question of your similar triangles. A vertical pole of the length 6 meters cast shadow. Any one of you please read the question.
A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower.
Can you find out?
Yes, sir.
How do you have a vertical pole of the length 6 meters? 6 meters का vertical pole will cast a shadow of 4 meters long on the ground. That means here this is 6 meters. Let us consider, and this is the shadow 4 meters. This is 6 meters pole and 4 meters shadow. This is 4 meters. This is shadow. Okay, and
Sir, board is
tower
blurred.
of completely blur है. सबको है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I already told here there is a
আমি তোরে মারতে পারতাম না কেন? তুই আমারে মারতে পারবি, আমি তোরে মারতে পারবো।